Welcome to yet another great commercial office spaces video. If you're looking for an office space for yourself, then watch this till the end. Kamdhenu Realty is a brand which everybody knows about. They have been working for the past 70 years. They know the game. They are the best at it. They have delivered 7 commercial towers up till now. And if you know the best name in commercial office space in Navi Mumbai, you know that it's Kamdhenu Realty. I am standing on the Khane Belapur Road, and yet again they are bringing a corporate IT space for you. This is located right beside IKEA, and your Turbe station is hardly 10 minutes from here. So it's going to be a quick ride for people who will be coming to the offices here. Now coming to the project, it's spread across 4 acres in which you will be having 2 towers of G+27 story, 2 interconnected towers, and here you will be getting in the tower 1 commercial office spaces for sale, and in tower 2 office spaces for leasing for bigger carpet areas to the MNCs. On the ground floor, you have retail showrooms with 150 meters of frontage, which is best for anchor brands, high footfall brands. This is the perfect kind of space you can get for visibility and branding. So if you're a retail brand, if you're a corporate, if you want great branding, this is the perfect project for you. Now coming to the sizes which you will be getting here, from 539 square feet up to 1365 square feet. That's a bigger carpet. They are known for the smaller carpet, but now for the first time they are bringing bigger carpet areas for you. Now, other than that, you have around 36 offices on every floor served by 20 lifts. That's the kind of efficiency this project is bringing to you. You know the project, you know the brand, you know the location. Now the only thing left, which is also the best part, is that by paying a down payment of just 5,500, you can own an office space of 539 square feet. Amazing, right? Now if you want more information about the project, the layout, the pricing, you can contact on the number given below.